Clark.
Kaayo kay nakita nila akong epekto. Mayroon gataas sa blood pressure. Salamat kay sa Rumikmin.
Robic ang pinakataas ng antioxidant level. Mahalagang paalala ang
you can tell it's really healthy.
Soon I'm feeling well enough to start enjoying my surroundings.
It's too hot.
We're traveling in style and comfort.
This Let's go.
Jumbo was the first place in Asia to be designated a slow city. It's an accolade that celebrates the slow lifestyle of the elite, similarly testing international.
That's it. Tell me a little
this entire channel that you've done over here.
It's not over yet, Nasty. This guy did not give up. Oh my. When most normal men would have given up, the Nasty Terminator.
I usually try to go with the flow, but my octopus?
It's sticking in my mouth. It's still moving. It's so weird.
Jesse seems more in tune with the green way, and just goes for it.
This one would be oh yeah, of course. Hey, imagine how many is the most calls in one day. 150. Wow.
Well, again, and it's time to hit the road.
Man, I want to see that.
It seems like a good plan. Even if we have no idea what that involves. We're lost in Korea, and now we've hitched a ride onto a boat. There's a festival of some sort going on here, definitely worth a closer look. Traditionally, fishing villages hold a ceremony to appease the Korean king once a year. The Korean king is the god of the sea, and will ensure favorable winds and a calm sea, if he's appeased properly. This means plenty of offerings of food and drink, and of course, rares. It may not be of much help, but we offer our prayers as well. Shamans, a feature of Korean life, and usually women, communicate